Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make beetroot lassi. We will need cooked beetroot, and we also need almond yogurt and nutmeg and sugar and then salt. Let's do it. Now I'm going to put some beetroot in the blender. Now I'm going to put some almond yogurt in the blender. Now I'm going to put some nutmeg. Now I'm going to put some sugar and salt. Now I'm going to blend it. Now my beetroot lassi is nearly ready. How beautiful colour it looks. Now I'm going to try. It looks beautiful, and also it can be a healthy drink for vegans. Enjoy and bon appetit.